How to save Viber photos or videos or audios on an Android device. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure you like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to open up your Viber. After that, make sure you are logged in with your account. After that, in the home page, you'll be able to see this interface. So you have to simply tap on more option over here, which is in the right lower corner. After tapping on that, you'll be able to see the settings option. So simply tap on settings, and from over here you have to tap on media. After tapping on the media, you'll be able to see the save to gallery option. So make sure that the save to gallery option is marked in your device. After doing that, all the videos, photos or audios you receive from other will be saved to your gallery. By following this simple step, you can save all your photos, videos or audios on your Android device. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.